What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we've got this beautiful C63s which is in for a full wrap. This will be our first wrap in 2024 and the color we will be doing in this one is matte pine green. As you can see, it's in frozen grey color from factory, beautiful color. But the new color is going to look really nice. It's going to look special, to be honest. It's got all the gloss black bits already, so we don't have to dechrome it. The roof obviously is a panoramic roof, so we're going to leave it as it is. And then wing mirror covers, as you can see, the wing mirrors are black, leaving them. We're going to wrap the door handles in gloss black because that's the only bit he's got the chrome bits. So we're going to wrap them in gloss black, and then the bottom half in pine green. It's like a matte metallic green. And at the front, as you can see in the front bumper, you also got these bits here which are already painted in gloss black from factory, so leaving them as they are. We will be changing the front grille to a new style one, to the facelift one. What else? It's got the gloss black trims on the side and the back, so yeah, it's going to look really cool. So all we got to do is just the external wrap and front two windows. We're going to tint the front two windows. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get it started. Well, I got a quick update on the C63. So, as you can see, the car is now fully wrapped. We've also put the new grille, as you can see. We've re-wrapped the badge because it was all peeling. As you can see, this bit here, we left it in gloss black. But like I said, the whole car is now fully wrapped. All we've got to do is just put the badges. And if you come on this side here, as you can see, the mirror is still off. The reason why is because we're just going to tint the front windows. Once we tint the front windows, then we can put the trim back on and the mirrors. It's a lot more easier this way. On the side, as you can see, we've left the middle part, this in gloss black. Other than that, everything is in green, and same with the door handles. So the bottom piece in green, in matte green, and then the top section in gloss black. Other than that, there is not much to say. Like I said, the whole car is now fully wrapped. As you can see at the back here as well, it's all been put back together. All we got to do is just put the badges on, which we're going to do today, and then put the spoiler. We've got like a tiny spoiler goes here, which is in gloss black. And yeah, that's it. The car will be complete. Like so, two front windows, badges, clean the car, and then the car will be good to go. Right guys, so here is the Mercedes C63s now complete. So let me go through what we've done to the car. So the car is now fully wrapped in matte metallic pine green from 3M. Beautiful color, really suits the car. We've also de-chromed some of the bits. So the boot strip, the front badge, it was all peeling. The wrap was all coming off. The boot strip, also the door handles, two of them we re-wrapped them in gloss black, but the rest of them they needed doing. We've also put some gloss black badges, tinted the front windows. The boot spoiler also, we re-wrapped it in gloss black because it was wrapped before, but it was cut on the edges so you could see all the paint. So yeah, we've just done it properly, and also we have put a different grille as well in the front, as you can see. And if I haven't mentioned the badges, we've also changed all the badges to a black one. So the V8 bi-turbo, the front badge, the rear badges, all of them in gloss black. So yeah, that's the C63s now complete. The car looks great. Really happy with the finish. The customer is going to be here maybe tomorrow or the day after. But yeah, really looking forward to his reaction. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.